What's going on, guys? Deadman108 here. So this video was requested by Cubson. I'll have it on screen, or Cubson. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. He wanted to know how you can actually connect your YouTube account with your PlayStation 4 so you can actually upload to YouTube. And it's a very good question, and I want to answer it for you today. I really appreciate for you to actually ask the question, and I'm glad I can hopefully answer it for you. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to make a new Gmail so that we can just basically do this like if we had a clean slot. And we are going to have a clean slot for today. So I'll just go ahead and enter in some information real quick. All right, so we got some information input right here. We got PlayStation 4 YouTube. I just put U2 because it wasn't going to let me put the actual word. And then password and everything. And my number is blocked because that's my number and I just don't want everyone to spam me with text messages or whatnot. So yeah, so what we're going to do is going to go ahead and hit next step. And it's going to ask you about the privacy and terms. You just want to go scroll down. Don't worry about it. I mean, no one's going to read it. So just press agree. And then you can save the information, but I'm not going to. I just don't want to sign into this one. And it's actually going to ask you for your, like, to verify your account with your number. You can get it through text message. I'm going to do it with the voice call, and I'll be back when I get the number. Alright, they just called me and I got the code and I got it verified. So now all we need to do is press continue to Gmail. Or we don't really need to do that, but we'll just do it for the sake of this video. What we do need to do is go ahead and we can open up another web page. We could also have done it on the other one. We'll just open up a new one. And we're going to go to YouTube. So I'm going to type in YouTube. Just go there real quick. And then let's see if it doesn't automatically sign me into my actual YouTube account. It might do that. Okay, so it didn't do that, but if we press sign in, it probably will just sign me in. I'm gonna have to sign out and then do that. Might have just signed in with this one. So yeah, okay, so we just went to YouTube and it automatically signed in. But basically, if you didn't, you would just press sign in or sign up, and then you would use the information you would use as email. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is press settings just to check it out real quick. So yeah, it is all here. Okay, so we could create a new channel, but this isn't a channel yet. So now that this is just set up, this is signing into YouTube. So this is just signed in. This isn't a channel yet. So we're signed in now. When we did right here is we went and we pressed YouTube settings. It's going to bring you to your overview. And you're going to go ahead and create a channel. And this is my name. So we'll just name it PlayStation. Let's name it PlayStation YouTube. There's probably like thousands of PlayStation YouTubes out there. And we'll just hit create channel. And then now this will actually make it into a YouTube channel. So that's basically how you would actually first off start to make the YouTube channel that you want to upload content to from, you know, your PlayStation 4. That's basically all we have to do from this end. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and switch over to the PlayStation 4, and I'll see you guys there in a minute. And then on there, we're actually going to explain how to hook it up to the PlayStation 4 and be able to upload content to this account. Just in a second. All right, guys, so we're on the PS4. So first off, what we're going to do is just hold the share button. And once we get it to pull up the share menu, we're going to press options, and then we're going to press sharing and broadcast settings. Now we're going to go down to link with other services and to YouTube. And now it should load up for a second, and it's probably going to redirect us to a web page. We'll just see what it does right here. All right, it says sign in. So what we're going to do is just sign in to that account we made. Okay, enter your email. So ours was, for the video, was PlayStation for YouTube. That's what it was. Actually, it was just U. I forgot. We had to use the letter U instead of actual YouTube because there are so many accounts already taken with YouTube. Alright, now we're just going to sign in. Alright, so we signed in, and now we just have to allow. And this is basically allowing them to be able to manage your YouTube account and upload to your YouTube account. And it also manage your tags for videos and your description and everything. You'll see in a second once we get to that. I'll show you guys the process of actually uploading to YouTube. So now we're just going to press OK. And pretty much from here on out, every time you upload a video to YouTube, it'll go directly to that account. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to upload a video just to show you guys. We have a little clip. Let's see. Let's use this 14-second long video. Alright, so we came here and we're just going to upload it. Also, this is where like your Share Factory videos will be if you export them to your gallery, so you can easily upload them. And then we're just going to hit this and then hit YouTube. Where do you want to share it? YouTube. We'll just title it. Okay. And now that we have it, we could play it, but we don't need to. You can do your description, make it public or private. We're just gonna leave it on public, considering that this is not my main account. It doesn't matter too much for me. You can also do your tags. if you wanted to, tag, put all your tags now and then not have to do it on your computer. And this is really useful for people that don't actually have a computer or something, so you can manage your tags as well here. Also include your ID name, I always do that because it just makes it so much easier. But I mean, I haven't used this in a while because I've got an Elgato. You can also select the players you played with, so we could do that, but we didn't play with anyone in here. And then also here you can actually post a link to Twitter, so you can actually share the video as well. Now we just press share, and it's gonna go to your upload section, and we'll just go there real quick and you see that it is uploading. That 1 second, and it'll get you. Alright, so it is uploaded. Now I will show you guys on the PC one more time, and I'm just going to show you guys that it is on your YouTube account, and that's pretty much it. So I'll show you guys on the PC, and yeah, that's it for the PlayStation. The video is here. It instantaneously, as soon as it said it was uploaded, it was already on here, and we can just view it real quick so you guys can see that it is on here for sure. It's a 14-second long video, but I was actually recording my video that you guys can watch that I did yesterday on actually how to record your PlayStation 4 gameplay without using a capture card, with only using the PlayStation 4 itself. Also, you can learn how to edit a little bit with using Share Factory in that video as well. So if you guys want to go watch that video, the link will be in the description, so check that out. Definitely, you will learn how to upload and also how to edit videos and just make videos in general with just the PS4. So it's a pretty informative video, I thought. And also, I would just like to give a big thank you to Cubson or Cubson for, asking for this video and asking for help on how to actually link your YouTube with PlayStation 4. So that's pretty much it, and that's all. I mean, it's done now. We're linked, so if I wanted to use this account, I could just keep uploading and it would automatically come to YouTube. So that's pretty much it. That's how you would upload videos to YouTube from your PlayStation 4, and that's how you would link it. So it is pretty simple. If you guys have any problems or any issues with it, just drop a comment down in the comment section. I'll look at it and I'll see if I can help you with your problem. Thanks again so much for watching, guys, and this has been Deadman108 signing out.